In this video, I'll teach you how to make a compound clip, how to edit a compound clip, and how to disassemble a compound clip in DaVinci Resolve. Let's go. To make a compound clip, follow these instructions. Let's say these are the clips you want to make a compound clip. So go ahead and select all your clips. Right click and select new compound clip. Give it a name, anything you want. So let's say compound clip. Like that. And then click create. Now this is your compound clip. Now you can move all elements in one control. Now, what if you want to make a adjustment in a clip inside your compound clip? To edit its content, go ahead and right click your compound clip and select open in timeline. These are all the clips inside your compound clip. You can make any changes as much as you'd like. This is just an example, by the way. Alright, once the changes are complete, click this drop-down arrow above your playback and click the timeline you are editing. In my case, it's timeline 1. It will bring you back to the main timeline so you can continue editing. And as you can see, I changed the in into 2 and that's why here it shows 2. Now, what if you change your mind and you don't want a compound clip anymore? So, go ahead and right-click your clip over into decompose in place and click using clips only. Alright? Now, here are your clips that is previously inside the compound clip. And that's everything about compound clips. I'm glad I'm able to teach you all about this. And if you have questions, just drop your comments down below. For more tutorials just like this, please don't forget to subscribe.